welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I honestly cannot believe what just happened. I was filming the BoxyCharm video, and pretty much I applied everything throughout the box, like filming it. Oh, by the way, guys, this is a ronchita. I got bit. You can see right here. Oh my god, I've been scratching it like nonstop, so it's definitely not a hickey, guys. Just wanted to point that out. I'm not a slota, you know, me and my husband keep it classy, right? So anyways, I was filming the video. Tell me why my battery dies. Because apparently it was not connected right, I guess to the charger, right? So it dies and everything, the whole footage erased, like pretty much, because I guess I allowed it to die. It's just the footage erased. So I'm not about to go and just take my whole makeup off and then redo all this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just turn this into an eye tutorial and just move on from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and, since I already applied my pretty much on my face, I'm gonna go ahead and just include everything that comes in the BoxyCharm that I've used so far. I did try a new foundation. This is the LA Colors. Like, it sucks that the freaking footage got deleted, but honestly, like, I'm just flat out just too tired to redo this whole thing all over again, because it was like 30-minute video already. But anyways, yeah, I used the LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation, the long wearing high pigment foundation. I mean, it's not too bad. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know just yet. I'll wear it throughout the day and see how that works. But I'm gonna go ahead and just move on to my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. It comes in my BoxyCharm. Like I mentioned, I was doing the review. Anyways, whatever. Let me just not be upset about that, right? Eso me pasa, right? Por mensa. And because I haven't uploaded in a while. Okay, my fault. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with let me give you the shade names before I start. So this one's Wine Stain. This one here. This one is Spaced Out. This one is Wishy Washy. This one's Rosy, and this one's Fluffy. Or Fluffy. So Rosy, ay que mensa. Rosy, Fluffy. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this shade. This one's Rosy, and just apply that with the fluffy brush as my transition shade. I went ahead and scooted y'all in a little bit, and I'm just gonna continue to use that this shade. It's the Rosy shade in the palette, this shade here, and I'm just applying that all on my crease. I'm also like kind of creating like a halo eye as well, applying it on my inner corner as well as the outer corner. And then just blending that in like that. Okay, and I'm move on to the next eye. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this shade here and just darken up the crease a little bit. Ooh, shoot. Let me get another, a little smaller brush. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this little, a smaller brush and just go in with the crease. I feel like there is a little bit of a fallout, but I think that's my fault. I underestimated how pigmented these shades were. Okay, so I'm just applying this all in the crease. And also in the inner corner, like I said, I'm trying to do like a ombre, a halo effect. I'm really liking these shades, honestly. They're pretty bomb. I'm definitely happy that they sent me this palette. I think this is one of the few that I'm like, I was super excited to get. But I wasn't getting my hopes up, because honestly, it's like, at this point, I've been getting BoxyCharm for a while now, but honestly, they've been really disappointing me. I feel like this is like gonna be a little mini rant while I'm doing my eyeshadow, but they have, like, they sent me this email saying, oh, you get to choose blah blah blah, such and such thing, and oh, congratulations, you're able to choose it, and all this blah blah blah. So I chose it, and it didn't come. It's like, okay, thank you for getting me excited. And then lately, none of the stuff that I've been getting, like repeats and stuff, like stuff that I don't even use. So anyways, okay, so then just to, I guess, darken it up, I'm gonna use this one also in the crease. How about the excess? Pretty pigmented. Oh, beads. Oh my god, yes. Oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the fluffy shade, this one, and just with my finger, I'm gonna apply it in the center of my eye. Yes, oh my god. Look at this. I didn't even need a shimmer shade. Oh my god, yes, okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a pencil brush and just pretty much the shades that I use. I'm just applying the shades at the bottom lash line. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with the pencil brush and get the fluffy shade and just apply that on my tear duct. Honestly, it's so pigmented that even though it's not a shimmer shade, look at it. Look how freaking pigmented this is. I love it. Who would have thought I was able to do one look with all these eyeshadows? Okay, I love it. I'll go ahead and just apply a little bit of mascara. And then apply my lashes. See how that goes. I don't even know if I feel like putting on lashes. We went to Six Flags just recently. We went to Fright Fest, and I was kind of low-key disappointed. Last year, they didn't charge for the haunted houses. And then like this year they did, so I was kind of like low-key like, why? They're not even, first of all, you wait in line for like hours just to get into the house, which lasts like 60 seconds while you're in there. And it's not even that scary. Like, I just like it because, like, oh, you know, you have your little moments of like, oh my God, yes, you get scared, and you know. And I like it because it's like, you know, Fright Fest and stuff. And I really did enjoy the fact that we didn't have to pay for the haunted houses because there was like 6 or 7, I think. But now that they had to pay, I did not know. And then we went and we had to pay. And I was just like, oh my God. And then my feet were killing me. I was like, wow. I couldn't take it. We managed to get in, like, because of course we paid. So we had to go through all the houses. We were not going to spend, you know, I think they charge like $30 per person depending on your membership. But even then, I was just like, oh my God, they're charging? So anyways, my husband's like, I'm not in the mood to walk. We had the baby and he stayed watching the Astros game while we all went to get in the houses and stuff. And it was just like, no. I was so tired after like the 4th one. I was like, okay, I'm done. I'm too old for this. We need to go. And then we left. We got in and out, and then we left. We went back to the hotel. I really probably don't feel like doing lashes, guys. I think I'm gonna skip them today. Just because I feel like I don't feel like putting them on. So I'm gonna go ahead and just skip them and just move on to the lips. I'm gonna go ahead and try this new lipstick that they sent me in the BoxyCharm. This is in the shade Dark Natural. 935 Dark Natural lip liner pencil, and this is from the Jante Blue. Did I say that right? Jante Blue. I don't know, but let's see how that works. I think I've gone shades from them before, I think, which I didn't like. It's not buttery like. I have this lip liner that I'm obsessed with, and it's like $2. Let me stock up, and then I promise I'll tell the world what lip liner it is, because, you know. I don't know how I feel about this. I like to line my whole lip before I go in with any type of shade. I don't know how I feel. I feel like this just makes me look like okay. I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a London Iconic lip gloss since I don't want to go too heavy on the lipstick. Just apply a little bit of lip gloss. This is a plumping lip gloss. I don't know if I should have done that. I have like a little like a little piece of, like, my lips are chapped, so it's like a little cut in between my lip and this Picasso. So I don't know if I should have done that. I think honestly, I like this. Not bad. Let me hide this little freaking ronchita. Oh my God, it's horrible. Nice. Yeah, I'm not gonna do lashes because I'm just really not up for lashes right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and just set my face. So I think that completes the look, guys. I do want to thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.